Benya, baba. I really hope the mic is on. Imagine the microphone's not on. I just needed to check. I didn't trust myself. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be how I deal
One eternity later.
Hello, 'tis I. Once again without a mirror. Okay, I have a mirror. I'm just gonna do a glowy kind of base today. I'm not going anywhere. And I'm gonna put on my necklace per Paula's recommendation because I suck at wearing my own jewelry. I've already prepped my face kind of with my micellar water. It is so dry. I'm so sad. I'm gonna go into a new box of Marine Hyaloronics by The Ordinary. I actually really like this stuff. They started selling The Ordinary at Sephora at the beginning of quarantine when it seemed like there was no end in sight, even though it still feels that way. I decided to stock up on the things that I was loving. And I remember using this and really liking it, and then I just had a whole bunch of other stuff open at the time. I'm getting my hair done soon. I'm like super happy about it. Actually, what I'm gonna do is zoom you guys in the max. Yes, Bubs, I hear you. I'm gonna go in with my New Beauty Vitamin C Serum. I love this stuff. Emily and Abby, you guys killed it with this. Abby is someone who I went to university with, and so we've been connected ever since. And she came out with this beautiful vitamin C hyaluronic acid serum that I think I'm on my 4th bottle. Like that's how much I use it. I have the Kiehls ultra hydrating cream. This is something that I use when my skin absolutely needs the moisture. I actually bought a humidifier for my room because my room is basically all window. I know that my skin gets dry in the winter, but it wasn't until I started actually taking care of my skin all summer that I really noticed, like the second that it started to get dry and cold outside, like my skin is just not happy. I'm gonna take a generous amount of this. I'm gonna put it all over my face. I know that this is not the best. I'd love to know your super dry skin recommendations. So my esthetician Teresa and I were actually talking about how she thinks that I should do microblading, and I very much so agree. I have tons of just sun damage. Like this is really my problem area right here. Down here is basically all hormonal. I get a lot of hormonal acne there. Even if it's just right here, just to kind of deal with the like the redness and the sunspots. Teresa, help me. Like my skin looks so nice on camera right now, but it's all a lie. I'm gonna go in with my Burts Bees Ultra Conditioning Balm. This stuff is, I swear by this. I have gone through so many. So many. I love this chapstick. My hands are too slippery to open this. It's like at the point, the circle of death is what I call it. I'm just gonna put this on my lips. This is what I do every single day. Serum, moisturizer, chapstick. Usually I just do my brows and then I call it a day, but I am gonna show you guys makeup today. I want to use my MAC Strobe cream. This is the shade Pink Light, which usually I would go for something that's a little bit more yellow or golden, but I figure it's gonna be covered by foundation anyway. Like I really don't care. I mean, I'd say that is a little bit, but that's still a lot. I'm just gonna put it mainly on the highest points of my face, bridge of my nose, on my forehead. I guess I'm putting it everywhere. Let's be real. Do you see how glowy I am now? Like that's what I want. That is the base that I desire. I'm gonna take some more of that Kiehls hydrating lotion and just under my eyebrows and right under my eyes. I really want to make this foundation work as much as I possibly humanly can. So I'm using the shade 6.5, 2 pumps at the back of my hand. And what I did differently, or what I want to do differently, is dot everything around my face and then blend it in all at once. Was doing like section by section, and well, it gave me a little more coverage than I wanted, but it still wasn't the finish that I really wanted. And start blending all of this into my face. My foundation needs / wants are as follows. As long as it really covers like this redness, this rosacea that I have, I really don't care about the rest of my face. The reason why I like it so much is it doesn't have a super distinct smell. It's not super fragrant, which I like. In comparison to the IT Cosmetics one, I was so disappointed with that. Oh my god. Coveting that foundation for years. I remember wanting that foundation before IT Cosmetics was even available in Canada. It is a disappointment. Like, do you see how that dew is still kind of poking through? But I am, see, this happens. This happens. Can you see that? I don't know if that's my skin, or I don't know if that's the foundation. I don't know if it's strobe cream. I don't know. This happens to me all the freaking time. I'm just gonna ignore its existence and continue on my merry way. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes because I look like a scary person. You see? It just opens my eyes so much nicer, so much more nicely. Is that even grammar? Do I even have my concealer? Damn it! Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, shade 25. What I've been doing, but just a little bit over here, and then, just a little bit over here. I don't know. I just like it. I like the way that it looks. Triangular side of the Beauty Blender. I'm gonna start working that in. Because I find what I used to do is I used to put so much of it down here, or it would end up blending up, but I don't know. I don't really care for the coverage anymore. That's the point, really. That's what's happening here. My needs and my wants in my makeup are different than what they used to be. And it's actually kind of funny. I'll look back on videos and I'm like, why the f did you put so much makeup on your face? I actually watched this video back the other day. My mom used to always tell me how much she hated when I would like concealer my lips. And for some godforsaken reason, I had there was no color in my lips whatsoever. And I was just like, hey guys, how's it going? I'm like, Mariah, what are you doing? I need to go for my facial. My dry spots are just not letting me live. Now I'm gonna go into, did I forget that too? Why am I a mess? Honestly, if you're watching this at nighttime when alcohol consumption is more socially acceptable, take a shot every time I forget something. Please, just take a shot. I'm gonna go into my Nudestix Bondi Bay. I've been really liking this. It is a beautiful color. I think I'm gonna try doing this with my beauty blender this time. Maybe no, I'm not. I'm just gonna blend it up, but also in. Freaking dry spots, I'm so mad at you. Because then they like go into my hairline and it looks like I have dandruff. It's not a cute look. I'm just gonna take this Real Techniques, I think this is technically a foundation brush, just so that there's no creasing. I don't want to deal with creasing. Creasing is like the worst thing to happen to mankind. And I'm going in with my ever so expired W2 True Match foundation. Powder foundation. I wish that I could zoom you in more, but I guess I can. Oh, good lord. My brow defining mechanism. This is from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. And I'm gonna brush my brows. I'm gonna go into the clear brow gel first and use this generously. Then I'm gonna do the Dipbrow gel so that I can get some color into my brows. Do you see the difference? Do you see it? I'm going to go into my Essence Matte Bronzing Powder. This one's the darker one. I'm gonna go into that with my Sigma E30 F10. I'm just gonna stipple that where I want to start bronzing. Because I haven't set my face, if I go like this, it's gonna start moving everything around underneath. Theoretically, this should technically set that, but I need some glow in my life. I need to be not as pale as I currently am. I'm just gonna start blending this down. Usually if I was going out, I would bring it all the way down, but I'm wearing a gray sweater, so that's not gonna happen. Next, I'm gonna go into Shaft of Gold from MAC. This was from a holiday collection many moons ago. Bronzing illuminator, if you will. I'm gonna use this in place of blush because, well, I forgot that too. And I'm not gonna go and retrieve that. I've had enough. I'm actually gonna go into my Sigma. Where are you? This is the E40. This has cat hair in it too. That same bronzer, but this is the lighter one. I'm gonna take that just on a E40. Is that what I said? Yeah, an E40, and just drag that in along the crease because, well, it'll give some sort of definition to my eyeballs. See the difference that makes? Like, I love it. Next, we are going to highlight our faces. I've fallen back in love with both of these. I know that this one I bought more recently than this one. I don't remember when I got them. I'm going in with that and the Sigma Tapered Highlight Brush. This was from the Nightlife collection by Camila Coelho. I think I'm gonna go into this one. This one's called Dark Treasure. She's so pretty. Just a little something. Just a little something, something. Wherever I turn my head and it's already shiny, I'm gonna make it shinier. Like, shine, make it shinier. Bridge of my nose, on the tip. Because I'm feeling dangerous and rebellious, I'm gonna take that same E40 from Sigma with some of that highlighter, and I'm just gonna work this in the inner portion of my eyeball. I've been using recently is actually the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, but that's in my room, and like I said, that's not happening anymore. So I'm gonna take the Maybelline Rocket Mascara. This one is an oldie but a goodie. I repurchased this one because the one thing that I do not use expired is mascara. I've had styes before and they are not cute. I really hope the mic is on. Imagine the microphone's not on. I just needed to check. I didn't trust myself. Like I said, I'm not going anywhere, so I'm not gonna do anything super fancy with my eyelashes. If I was maybe going out, I would put on a pair of falsies, but that's not happening, so. Honestly, I don't even know why I'm putting on mascara. We're just being completely out of character today. This is the final makeup look, my people. I'm actually really happy that I decided to prep my skin a little bit differently. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you. I love responding to your comments. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It really supports my channel, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you next time. Peace out.